Hello, welcome to this video. I'm Patrick Kellogg, and this is my little synthesizer. It's the one that's a DX7 compatible. It costs about, I think I pay $79 and free shipping to Colombia from Amazon. I'm sure you can get it cheaper, but hey, it includes free shipping. So here it is. What I've done is I built a sustain pedal box for it over here. And you see it has a couple of 1/8 miniature phone jacks with some cables plugging into it. One cable is the input. That's this one here, and it comes from this foot pedal, which is here. This is my sustain foot pedal. So I want to make this work with this FM-1 synthesizer without using any external MIDI controller or any external MIDI coming from the USB via a computer or a tablet. So I've got it wired up here. Over here is my GitHub repository where you can download this and try it if you want. But the schematic's pretty easy. Here's the schematic. And let's go ahead and try it. So I'll press a button, and right now I have it set up so it's using the piano. And as I turn this, sorry, this is not the greatest setup, but you know, I can scroll through my instruments that way. And I think I reloaded these banks. So let's go to the piano right here, which is number 8. So when I press on it, you know, it makes your typical wonderful piano sound. But then let's try the foot pedal, and I want to sustain it. So I'm sorry this is bouncing around, but I usually don't make videos with the camera like this. But now if I use my foot pedal and do it again, watch the foot pedal. So now it works. So the sustain works. And that's about all there is to the video. If you want to do it, go ahead and download the code from the repository, or you could even send me an email if you wanted to. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Bye.